Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I am so excited about today's video and I'm excited for two things. The first one is we have a Chanel unboxing, and who's not going to get excited with a Chanel unboxing? That's why you're all here. The second thing is I am wearing eye makeup for the first time in 2 months and I am super happy. For those of you that are new, hello, my name is Isabel. Welcome. I hope that you enjoy my video, and if you do, I hope that you will click on the subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Back to the eye makeup. I had eyelid surgery 2 months ago and now I am finally able to wear makeup. I am not 100% recuperated, but we are really on track and I'm very excited. For those of you that may be interested, I will be doing a video about my eyelid experience once I get to probably the 3-month mark, but that'll be another time. Let's just dive into what we're waiting for, and that is the Chanel unboxing. I've already unboxed it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip so that you can see when I first received it. And yes, I was so excited. Here it is. I did open the box, but she is fully wrapped up, and this is, of course, the Chanel 19 from the 20B collection, Fall Winter 2020-2021 in the beige color, small size. And am I excited to get this bag? Let's go ahead and just open her up together, and I can tell you that when it first came out, I thought it was one of the ugliest bags ever. I know. This is what happens when you change your mind, pretty much. All right, so back to the bag. Here she is. This is the true color. I think the true color is showing up. Again, this is the beige. It has the beautiful CC lock in the front in the gold color with the leather wrapped inside. Very pretty. The top handle is a chunky gold tone chain, and it is light. It's light, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's just not a super heavy chain. And it's got the fabulous back pocket right here. Just show you that. And it does have, there you go. Oh, it's so nice. And it's like a magnetic closure in the back. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. So the turn clasp. And oh, she's even got her plastic on there. Oh, I'm so excited. And I got this from Nordstrom. I was on the list for this particular color when the collection launched, and I was not high enough on the list, so I didn't get it. And I was pretty upset. There were quite a few resellers that had the bag available, but I did not want to pay over retail. And I wanted to try and get it from Nordstrom's. I've kind of changed my shopping habits where I can, and I try and buy everything from Nordstrom so that I can keep my status there. Anyhow, it finally came back and I was the first one on the list, and that's how I snatched her. And she is fully stuffed right now and still has all of the original wrappings. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and fast forward so that I don't bore you to death. Okay, back to this gorgeous beauty. I was able to take everything off, and again, oh, she is just so squishy and beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, so she has, of course, the strap, and it has the ruthenium hardware right up at the top, and she also has a leather tab, so when she sits on your shoulder, it'll be more comfortable. The ruthenium comes up to about right here, and then the gold continues on in the strap, and then it switches to silver here at the bottom. On the other side of the purse, let me straighten this out. On the other side of the purse, again, same thing, and then you've got the gold combination on the other side. So you've got your 3 different hardwares on here. You've got your ruthenium at the top, you've got silver, and you have the gold. Just so nice. And again, this is from the 20B collection. Let's check out the inside. Oh, smells delicious. And inside she is just one compartment. She does have a zipper compartment way at the back, and here is the authenticity card, and it is from the 30 series. And other than that, there's really nothing else on the inside. The inside is fabric, and it's just one, like I said, one little hole right there. So yeah, I'm so excited. She is a very, very squishy bag, and definitely, I don't think this is a bag for someone that really stresses about the shape of a bag, or whether the bag is gonna sag or if it's not gonna sag. That's not who I am. I just love my bags, and I am okay if they start sagging after some time. And oh, I am so excited to have gotten this one. I love this bag. I really purchased her because I wanted to be able to use her for work or just for any occasions where I wanted to use a beige or neutral color bag. And I am very excited. I will certainly do a what fits in this bag and let you know what I put in here. But I am for today going to go ahead and insert some mod shots so that you can see how it looks on me. And again, I am almost 5'3" and still carrying those additional 10 pounds. Let me know, what are your thoughts on this bag? Do you feel the same way that I felt when I first saw the bag? Like, I did not like it. Have you changed your mind? Have you purchased this one, or are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments section down below, and I will see you soon. Bye.